Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys here. There is so many colorful of toys here. This is a jeep car here. This is green, red and black combination also. And there is the next one is a crane truck. This uses of fire truck or under construction vehicle also. This is red, white and black combination. There is the next one is here. This is a pink color. This is here is orange color combination with black combination here also. There is the next one is here. This is a high speed R17 yellow color bike. This is so nice and beautiful also. There is the another one is here. This is a ambulance. This is 3D ambulance is pink, white and paste color combination here also. There is the another one is here. This is a dump truck. This dump truck color is this is a paste color, pink color, and there is a of course here is another one color. So next one is here. This is a police bike. This police bike color is pink, red and paste color also. And there is the last one is here. This is a airplane. This airplane color is purple and white color combination. And there is so many colors, just like something that green, orange and blue color also. So guys, all of vehicles are introduced for you, and right now I'll hand driving testing all of vehicles. Okay, so first one is here airplane. So let's go wasting any more time. Okay, I'll park the here. Okay, next one is a police bike. So I will trying this police bike also in my hand. Okay, I'll park the here besides of airplane. Is another one is the dump truck. So I'll trying this dump truck also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of police bike. There is a next one is a 3D ambulance. So I'll trying this ambulance also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of dump truck. There is the next one is a high speed R17 bike. So I will trying this one also. Okay, I'll park here besides of 3D ambulance. There is the next one is here. This is animal or wild truck here. So I'll trying this one also. Okay, I'll park here besides of R17 bike. Okay, next one is a under construction vehicle. This is a crane. So I'll collecting and hand driving also. Okay, I'll park here besides of animal or wild truck. Is another one and last one is a zip car. So I'll collecting and hand driving also this zip car. So let's go. Okay, I'll parked here besides of cranes. So guys, there is all of toys or vehicles are very nice and beautiful performance and driving performance also. So ending my video here and see you soon with next video with many colorful of toys. Thank you so much.